In this video, I'm going to go over how to find the mean from a frequency distribution. So let's write down the formula first. So basically what we're gonna have is we're gonna have a mean sample, and then we're going to have sum of frequency and that it's multiplied by the class midpoint, and then divided by sum of frequencies. So if you look at all those frequencies, the sum of the frequencies, if we add them all together, it equals 20. So basically sum of frequencies is the same as letter n in this case. Okay, so another thing we need that x value, and that is the class midpoint. So let me just write class midpoint. Okay, so how we find midpoint is we're gonna take the two numbers and we're gonna add them together, divide by 2. 0 plus 9 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5. Then we're gonna take 10 plus 19 is 29, divided by 2 is 14.5. Then we have 20 plus 29 is 49, divided by 2 is 24.5. And lastly we have 30 plus 39, that's 69, divided by 2 is 34.5. By the way, this is not a difference, this is the class, okay? So that's the class midpoint. Now what we wanna do is we wanna find the sum of multiplying frequency times the class midpoint. So I'm just gonna write another column, and I'm gonna write f times x. Okay, so what we have here, we have basically 3 times 4.5, which equals 13.5. Then we have 5 times 14.5, which equals 72.5. And you guys can check also with a calculator. So then we have 8 times 24.5, which equals 196. And then we have 4 times 34.5, which equals 138. Okay, so now to find the sum, we're gonna add all those frequencies times midpoint. We're gonna find the sum, and all together if you add them equals, so sum of x, let me just go back one step back, actually erase this. Oops, sorry. Why am I having difficult time to click on eraser? Okay, so now let's go back. We're gonna write f times x equals 420. So now let's substitute in the formula, and we have 420 divided by 20, that equals 21. So basically the mean of from this frequency distribution is gonna be 21. That means the mean is somewhere here in this class. Okay,